Welcome back to the channel. If you're someone who values privacy or just wants to clean up your Booking.com profile, today's video is for you. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to delete your phone number from the Booking.com mobile app in just a few easy steps. Let's begin. First, open the Booking.com app on your phone. Then, tap the profile icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Next, select Personal Details. Now scroll down until you see your phone number listed. Tap on the phone number. On the next screen, you will see an option to delete number. Tap on Delete. That's it. You've successfully deleted your phone number from the Booking.com app. If this video helped, please like and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. See you in the next video.